attempt to accomplish their rightful cause. Thus, the sharing and learning from the experience among the struggling nationals could be crucial in building our case stronger. Through such convention, we hope more and more nations come forward to improving the footsteps of the United States in passing such acts to make differences in the lives of the suffering humanity and not succumb to the dictates of authoritarian regimes like PRC. The outbreak when COVID-19 pandemic has shown to world how fragile human existence is and how interdependent our existence is. The arrogance of communist Chinese leadership was having their own aim and not sharing early findings and data on the virus has led to the death of millions of people around the world. Even now, while we are meeting here in Capitol Hills, millions of Chinese people are facing the brunt of Xi's wrong zero COVID policy. My heart goes out to all of them. The leadership of PRC should be held accountable for bringing such magnitude of messages to the humanity. My speech would not be complete if the Tibetan Parliament in exile and failed to show our solidarity with the people of Ukraine who are suffering under the invasion. Since Tibetan has gone through it, we can relate with the appalling situation here. His Holiness the Dalai Lama imposes to engage in dialogue